What if PD, how the transformation for the Indonesian human resources, especially in the industry sector, to be digitalized industry? Please, Boneta.
Thank you, Patito, for moderating the session. Please for the slide, Mr. Adi. Thank you. Next slide, please. So allow me to present a little bit about PD. What is PD? So PD is a digital center of Industry 4.0 of Indonesia. It's under the Ministry of Industry, and PD is established as the following up for the government initiative called Making Indonesia 4.0 that was launched by Mr. President Jokowi in 2018. So through Making Indonesia 4.0, we have vision and mission that Indonesia has the potential to become the top 10 highest economies country in the world by 2030. And to realize, to achieve these goals, and PD 4.0 was built the vision becoming one-stop solution in adoption of Industry 4.0 in Indonesia and becoming an Indonesia 4.0 window for the world. So next, please. Next slide. So to achieve, next slide, please. To achieve our vision and mission to be one-stop solution for the implementation of Industry 4.0 in Indonesia, we deliver 5 main services. Next slide, please. Okay, so we have 5 main services. The first one is Showcase Center. So we have the place to facilitate the visitor, the community of industry to have experience related to the implementation of Industry 4.0 through a factory and mini plant model that has implemented the technology 4.0. So if ladies and gentlemen, you may come to our center in Permata Hijau, Indonesia. You will see we have a showcase center from Toyota Motor Manufacturing Indonesia, and also in Dolacto, you may see the implementation, the real size of the factory related to the implementation, how they implement the technology. And the second one, we have capability center. So in capability center, we're trying to improve the skill, the knowledge, the competency of industrial workers of Indonesia to be adaptive for the technology 4.0. So the third one, we have ecosystem for industry 4.0. So we have now 48 partners, including the technology provider, technology users, association, government, both local government, Indonesian government, and also foreign government, and also other stakeholder industry 4.0. And we have also delivery center. So we provide assistance and consultation for the industry that need to leverage the status, for example, for 3.0 into 4.0, so they could more applicable in implementing the industry 4.0 technology. And the last one, we have services called AI and Engineering Center. This is a place for AI development, research brokerage, and testbed to find solution from industry pain point in transforming to Industry 4.0. So what is the difference between PD 4.0 and BRIN? Yes, we are very different because we has KPI to help the industry, but BRIN has KPI to conduct the research. So the KPI, how industry could be helped to be facilitated by Ministry of Industry so they can solve their pain point. So in this case, we would like also Bu Meliana, maybe we can go together to have a research related to Industry 4.0 to develop and accelerate the Industry 4.0 in Indonesia. So we are only the facilitation PD, but the resource that we have in Indonesia is BRIN. So it's different role and different facility, but we have the industry, but BRIN has the resources, the expert of the research itself. Next, please. And also, I would like to mention that we have 48 partners. It's including the technology provider, service consultant provider, system integrator, software for provider, industry user, industrial zone management association, higher education institution, and also government. So we welcome all of you, the participant of CTEF today, to also collaborate with PD 4.0 to accelerate the digital transformation. Not only focus on the chemical, but OPD dealing with all many sector of the industry. And chemical is only one of the priority of the Ministry of Industry. Next, please. Yeah, you may see that we have 48 partners now, and some of the partners, some of the industry here, we have the logo, and they also listen and watch as the participant of our forum now. For example, NEC and some our college also becoming the participant of our forum today. Next, please. Yeah, this is the benefit of being PD partners because we're trying to expand networking to each other. We're trying to improve the capability, especially for the industrial work first, and then we try also to bridge the financial with the financial institution for implementing, for applying the industry 4.0 technology and giving the access for the networking, giving access for the facility, for the infrastructure. We do also business matching. We do promotion by doing seminar, workshop, training, and we also becoming the hub and the pool of the talent of Industry 4.0 expert because association is also becoming the ecosystem part of the ecosystem of PD 4.0. Next, please. Yeah, we have also showcase center and we have booths. So we have permanent booths. So all of the partners could exhibit their technology, their product, innovation product to everyone and bring the customer, potential customer, and collaborate and discussion together in PD 4.0. So we're trying to facilitate all stakeholders, not only the industry, but also the association like Starfindo in the number 10. Next, please. Yeah, I mentioned before, we have the showcase center related to implementation. We may see the machine of the packaging machine from Indolacto. It's real size. We have also so many miniature in the PT Toyota Motor Manufacturing, like all the whole process of the from the production planning until the after sales, the flow of the Toyota Motor Manufacturing Indonesia, and we have also like storage is a smart storage system also showcasing in the first floor. Next, please. Yeah, I mentioned before we have a capability center. We have already training and capacity building related to strategy and business model, like introduction to Industry 4.0, Industry 4.0 for managerial level. And also we have mechatronic module, robotics module, PLC module, big data analytic module, additive manufacturing module, industrial IoT overview, machine-to-machine communication, and IoT in production. Next, please. Yeah, this is continuing the previous slide. We have also processes related like smart process manufacturing module, smart discrete manufacturing module, smart quality and assurance and control module, engineering 4.0 for product development, and also we have competence development, industry 4.0 in the future work lab, and the last one, safety engineering for industry 4.0. Next, please. So actually, PD has its own budget, and we targeted to train and give certification for 600 industrial workers per year. So, but we also hold so many training outside the certification based on SKKNE or a national scheme of competency. We also help collaborating with our partners, with 48 partners. We also deliver free training for industrial workers related to the Industry 4.0 skill and competency. Next, please. This is competency-based training. I mentioned before, we do based on SKKNE, or we called National Competency and Qualification Scheme of Indonesia. Next, please. Yeah, this is the partners in conducting the training and the competency certification. Next, please. The fourth, I mentioned before, we have delivery center. So this service provide industrial support throughout the transformation process toward Industry 4.0, starting from readiness assessment until the leading to mature Industry 4.0 company. Next slide will illustrate the pace. So we will see the pace in delivery center. First, you may see in the first Indie 4.0, we do assessment uh, how and in what position of the industry in implementing in the readiness of they implement the technology of Industry 4.0. And the next one, we do preparation with the industry, like scheduling, consultation session, and selection of expert consultation. And then we do pre-implementation by conducting kickoff meetings, signing the consultant implementation, like firming the commitment. And also the fourth one, we have discovery, initial analysis, like diagnose the company data, including the company profile, pain points, and also the roadmap of the company itself. And then fifth one, we have diagnosis, site visit, by doing site visit to the industry, and verification of Indie, like we do in the first step. And we do SWOT and CAP analysis. Then we do design solution in the form of initial recommendation based off in the 4.0 pillars. And then we do designing and then business matching. So we always do business matching in PD 4.0. So we welcome also if all the stakeholders in this forum also could together with us collaborate in successfully make the business matching becoming successful. And also the last one, the post implementation, we do evaluation and to see to measure how the effectiveness of Industry 4.0 implementation. So it brings them to the champion for the Industry 4.0. Next, please. Now, services provided by AI and engineering. This is the last services we have. We try to do prototyping. So PD trying to be at the hub service provided by AI and engineering pillar. So we welcome Ibu Meliana. We have several facilities such as 3D printing, metal base, and we have also simulation for training machine, and maybe we can take benefit to each other. Maybe if you need also the certification or maybe training, or maybe all the stakeholders here need to be trained, we can go to PD and then just take benefit from the facility given by the government of Indonesia. And then we do also test bed and research brokerage. Also, we should have a partner like university, because university do their own research, and there's so many industry has done their own research also to innovate their product, and we would like also to bridge and to become a broker for doing the research related to Industry 4.0 technology. Next, please. So thank you very much for listening and watching my presentation. But before I end my presentation, let me play a short video related to PD to have a very visual related what is PD and what we do in PD. Mr. Adi, could you please play the video?
PD 4.0 is located in Permata Hijau, South Jakarta, which stands on an area of 12,957 square meters, with a building area of 17,600 square meters. PD 4.0 has a smart building concept as a part of full technology implementation, which is able to manage buildings more efficiently and manageable, especially in terms of security, energy use, and facility utilization. A new era of Industry 4.0 has dawned, which is marked by increasing connectivity, interaction among people, machines, and other resources that are more convergent as the result of information and communication technology advancement. This has impacted the entire industry value chain, creating new business models on a digital basis to achieve higher efficiency and better product quality. Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, human-machine interface, robotic and sensor technology, and 3D printing are the key drivers of this new industrial revolution. Industry 4.0 assets. PD's partners can contribute machines or hardware to be displayed in the Showcase Center as a model factory, machines for testbed, machines for lab needs, or Industrial 4.0 technology tools such as VR glasses, sensors, logistics robots, and servers. Stakeholders are encouraged to share and collaborate to develop Industry 4.0 implementation in Indonesia. To build an interconnected network ecosystem, we have a business process consisting of 3 aspects: input, process, and output. Ministry of Industry has launched the Center of Digital Industry Indonesia 4.0 to embody the national campaign Making Indonesia 4.0. I believe PD 4.0 and its stakeholders are able to revitalize the manufacturing sector as an accelerator to achieve our vision to become a top 10 economy in the world.
Thank you very much, everyone, for watching the video and the presentation. Pak Tito, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Bu Mareta Pratiwi. We give applause to Bu Mareta dan ya to this presentation. If give insight, we just listen that Bu Meliana share about the BRIN, National Indonesia Research and Innovation Body, about the facility, about the ready to collaborate. And now we just listen to the presentation of the Bu Mareta Pratiwi, but also the collaboration that we can be involved in the PD, in the Indonesia Transformation